The National Pneumatic Stapler is engineered for professional use, delivering both speed and precision across a variety of materials. With a high working pressure range of 90 to 120 pounds per square inch, it can efficiently handle fastening tasks on surfaces like foam, substrate, and waterproofing films. Its 200 staple capacity minimizes the need for frequent reloading, making it highly efficient for continuous work. Compact and lightweight, the stapler reduces user fatigue, while its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. The adjustable fastener length adds versatility, allowing for customization based on the specific task at hand. Built with a durable metal body, the tool is designed to withstand wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance for professional applications. The Milwaukee Band Saw is a high-performance tool designed for professionals, delivering exceptional power and efficiency. Powered by the Milwaukee M18 battery system, it offers dependable, long-lasting operation. Equipped with a 5-amp-hour battery, this saw is capable of making over 100 cuts on a single charge, ensuring consistent performance. Its compact design and lightweight build at just 3.5 kilograms make it ideal for use in tight spaces and during extended tasks. The standout feature is the powerful power-state motor, which ensures high-speed cutting and long-term durability. The saw is fitted with a 90-centimeter band that provides precision and stability when cutting materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. Additionally, the integrated LED light enhances visibility in the workspace, while the cooling system prevents overheating, contributing to the tool's longevity. The Woodpecker's measuring tool is a premium instrument specifically crafted for professionals in carpentry and furniture making. Designed to deliver precise, repeatable measurements, it is essential for projects that require exact fitting of wooden parts. It features 32-inch extrusion guides, removable MDF skids, clamping handles, and angle scales, ranging from 0 to 15 degrees by 0.5 degrees and 0 to 7 degrees by 25 degrees, along with a short span clamp. If necessary, the guides can be extended up to 42 inches. Woodpeckers helps eliminate errors, enhancing the quality of finished products and streamlining the workflow. Built with a durable construction, this tool is a reliable companion for frequent use, ideal for those who demand precision and perfection in furniture making and woodworking projects. The Wagner Spray Tech is a highly efficient tool designed to remove wallpaper and clean surfaces using the power of steam, eliminating the need for chemicals. It effectively softens even the toughest and adhesive wallpaper, making the removal process quick and easy while preserving the underlying surface. Thanks to its high-temperature steam, the coating separates from the wall without causing damage, saving both time and effort. The device features a practical design with 2 steam plate sizes, making it versatile for use on both horizontal and vertical surfaces, ensuring uniform steam distribution. This makes the Wagner Spray Tech an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who seek high-quality results. The unit heats up in just 12 minutes and can run independently for up to 2 hours on a single tank. The smoothing iron is designed for leveling freshly laid concrete, ensuring a flawless, smooth surface by eliminating any imperfections. Its 360 rotating bracket allows for effortless maneuvering at any angle, making it highly versatile for various work positions. The tool is equipped with an ergonomic handle that enhances comfort and reduces fatigue, even during extended use. Constructed from durable, wear-resistant materials, this smoothing iron is built to withstand the demanding conditions of construction sites. The lightweight aluminum alloy ensures strength without added bulk, allowing the tool to glide smoothly across the concrete surface. With a blade length of 122 centimeters, it covers a large area quickly, making it an ideal choice for efficient concrete finishing. The Beyond Life Plastic Welding Thermo Welder is a robust and dependable tool designed for professional use. Weighing under 1.4 kilograms, it offers both portability and ease of operation without sacrificing durability. Despite its lightweight design, This welder is built to last. With a powerful 1600-watt thermo fan, it produces a strong hot air stream that efficiently softens plastic components for seamless joining. The adjustable temperature and airflow settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for a variety of plastic types and melting points. It comes in a sturdy carrying case for convenient storage and transport, ensuring your tool is always ready for the job. The CAMO Lever is a groundbreaking tool crafted for accurate alignment and secure fastening of boards during deck installations. Its innovative design allows for quick corrections of uneven boards and ensures they stay in place, significantly speeding up the installation process. With just one turn of the handle, you can easily fix the planks into position. This tool is perfect for working with various types of wood, guaranteeing a snug and firm fit for each piece. Its compact size and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, making the CAMO Lever an essential tool for anyone aiming for flawless results when constructing wooden structures. This grinder is engineered for rapid and precise surface finishing, featuring a robust 6.5-amp brass motor. Its 7-speed control system allows you to adjust the speed between 900 and 1800 RPM, making it adaptable to different tasks. The innovative design includes a flexible 21-centimeter diameter floating head that can rotate 360 degrees, offering excellent maneuverability for working on ceilings and in tight corners. The tool's removable chassis is perfect for tackling narrow or hard-to-reach spaces. It also boasts a highly efficient, built-in dust extraction system, which, paired with a dust bag, 3-meter vacuum hose, and 8-meter power cord, captures up to 95% of dust particles. Additional features like a retractable handle with an aluminum extension 1.5 to 1.9 meters and LED strips provide enhanced visibility in poorly lit areas, ensuring you can work efficiently in all conditions. The Aardwolf AV40 is a practical tool equipped with a vacuum gripper, specifically designed for the safe and efficient handling of tiles during installation. This device offers a high load capacity of up to 40 kilograms while ensuring ease of use, allowing for a secure grip on ceramic tiles, stone, or glass. With the help of an air compressor, the AV40 provides gentle yet firm support, ideal for materials that require delicate handling. Compatible with standard air compressors with capacities of 147 liters per minute at 8.6 bar, the gripper engages with a simple lever mechanism. Release the lever to effortlessly position the tile. Its compact design and user-friendly operation make the Aardwolf AV40 an essential tool for both industrial and construction settings.